Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Huawei model and MIUI version, so you choose compatible files. Once done, enable unknown sources in settings right arrow security and back up your data. This protects you if something goes wrong. Make sure you have a PC, USB cable, and ADB tools installed, with the necessary APKs downloaded to a single folder on the desktop. Now connect the phone, authorize USB debugging when prompted, and confirm the device appears in ADB devices. Then move to installing core components. You must install the Google Services framework first, because Play Services depends on it. Use ADB sideload with a db install R file name. Apt to avoid package conflicts, install APKs in this order: Framework, Account Manager, Google Play Services, then Play Store. Once installed, open each app and grant all runtime permissions. Make sure to enable auto start and background battery permissions in system settings so services run reliably. If a version mismatch triggers errors, uninstall the offending APK and try. You finish by adding your Google account under settings right arrow accounts and verifying sync for contacts and calendar. Once signed in, open Play Store and update all apps. If Play Services keeps crashing, clear cache and storage, then reboot the phone. Make sure Play Store and Play Services versions match your MIUI. If problems persist, uninstall the most recent APKs you added, reboot, and reinstall the specific builds known to work with your model. Remember, careful version matching solves most installation conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.